guys, what's up? And today's topic is variables and their types, and we'll cover some arithmetic operations as well. So what are the variables? So variables are the containers that store data values. They give a name to the data, so you can easily use and change it later if you want to. But why do we need them? So first of all, store information. Basically, you can save data like numbers or text to use it later. Secondly, reuse. Instead of repeating values, you can just use a variable's name.
And the third advantage of variables is that they are changeable. What it means? It means that you can access the variable anytime and change the value inside. So guys, there are 5 basic types that we'll cover today and 3 others, but we don't need the other 3, so let's start our practice. So the main type, an int, is a type of variable that stores the whole numbers. It can be negative numbers, normal numbers and 0, but the main rules is that we cannot store decimals inside. And we can use it for counting things, indexing or storing numbers where you don't need decimals. So the next variable types are doubles and floats. They are similar to ints, but they must store only decimal numbers. So the key differences between floats and doubles is the usage and performance. Basically means that floats are suitable when you need less precision and a range, but doubles are preferred when you need a more precision and a wider range of values. So the last variable types are characters and strings. So a character is a single letter, digit or a symbol. A string is simply a combination of characters. So as you can see in the example, it's similar to a sequence of individual characters put together to form words or even sentences. So let's move on to the arithmetic operations. They involve basic math like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All of these use the same logic of applying the operation. So basically they all follow the same structure but with different symbols. So for example, let's create 2 variables a and b. Let a be equal to 10 and b equal to 5. First of all, let's create a variable sum, a plus b, difference, product and quotient. So let's print them out, and as you can see, the answer is 100% correct. So it's similar to a basic math. So another case is a remainder, which uses a percent symbol. So the remainder operation percent finds what's left over after division. So example, let's create an integer remainder and divide a by b. So the answer will be 0 since there won't be anything, like there won't be a remainder. But if a would be 11 and b would be 5, we would divide it and it would give 1 since 11 dividing by 5 leaves a remainder of 1. So guys, again, thank you very much for watching this video. I guess you really enjoyed it and learned something new. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And good luck guys!